We're here in Chessington. Wow. It's a rainy day. What a day to come to Chessington. I mean, do you like the penguins?
Yeah.
What's yeah? Can't see it because of the rain now.
How do they eat?
How do they eat? I mean, they get food and they eat.
The people
So empty.
And they have a little pond.
This is the lion's den. So we're trying to find the lion, but it's raining, so I highly doubt the lion's going to be out and about roaring. Nope, lion. I think it might be inside. There's no lion. This is another tiger's den. But as you can see, the weather-wise, I don't think any of the animals will be coming out. Amina? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
Even though it's raining?
Yeah. What is that?
So it's gonna rain all day, unfortunately, so I don't know what we're gonna do.
What is that?
We don't know what this is, but danger deep water, and like we can't swim. Even though we can see a little material thing there, so it can't be that deep. Hello, mister. As you can see, it's constant rain. It's getting more now. We're gonna get our brollies out. So worst day to choose. This is what I like UK. You can't plan anything nice because you just don't know what's gonna happen with weather.
It's meant to be 18 degrees.
Nothing's open, we can't go on the rides because it's too wet. Let's see how the day plans out. Is that the Tiger Bridge?
Make Barse.
Oh, look at that.
The ride route let them leave it.
Look at that. So because it's really wet, it's raining, we're gonna do all the rides at the end. Look at that. So that, you know, wherever getting wet, everything, we'll leave that to the end and then we'll just go home after that. But as you can see, it's raining, hardly anyone here, hardly anything open. Nothing's open.
What's the point of this?
I have no idea.
What?
So a little bit of shelter for now.
Next one.
So limping. Okay.
The rain jacket pin there. Put the one at home.
We should have bought some rain jackets. Just look at that.
Cobra King.
Like rain, rain. So I think our day will end very quickly. because we can't really go on anything because it's raining a lot. Everything's wet. As you can see here, this is on. Oh wow, look at that. Tahi, look at that. Do you want to go on that one?
Only 2 people.
You want to go on that? Huh? Amina, look, ride. Do you want to go on that ride?
No, I don't know.
You are scared of rides anyway, so let's not.
I
Stand there.
So yeah. Last time.
And I'm really bad at driving.
We'll do our best. Because of the rain, look at us. You have to purchase this separately. Ty, did you enjoy the bumper cars?
Yeah.
So bumper cars was nice, but obviously because yours had a roof on top, so it didn't rain, so which is a good thing. But we're back out in the rain again.
Itu tika sih.
Mine doesn't come that much forward, you have to be right down here. I think I could pull it.
On the button, I can button close it. Close the button.
Yeah. So much for the makeup and hair. A waste. Total waste. Oh god. Still trying to make the most of this rain.
Tahinin na driver ito. Driver ito.
Front seats, front seats. Amina, are you okay?
She's been great.
Because of the rain, I can't really record as much. Phone's wet, everything's wet. Let's come to the boat thing.
Welcome, adventurers. There's not a moment to lose. Jump on and hold on tight. The Mamba is about to strike. and your restraints have been released. His bow has fallen into a haystack.
I think we can go
Can you
carry
find
on.
it? What do you mean? The lovely amber black eye.
Woo! Get a glass maze.
About his wings, he was off.
And we're out.
Then she filled up her cauldron and said with a grin,
Find something! Everyone! Throw something in!
out rose a truly magnificent
On the roof.
Wee! There's more blue fishes. The one that talks to herself.
Yeah. And this is fake, two fake treasures. And you can go up. Oh, there's a big fish.
It's coming this way.
Is that a baby shark?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's not bigger than that shark. Jellyfish.
Yeah.
Ah, hey, look, also from Finding Nemo. Pufferfish.
Whoa.
The one that blows up.
That's a squid. Another one. Maybe he just woke up from sleep. I want to sleep. I think it is.
Butler.
Wow.
Is this pufferfish? No, don't. Wow. A Dory's there as well. Nemo's there.
That's what I kept saying. Look, Dory's there.
These are like the Finding Nemo tank.
Oh, there's that.
Hello.
There's that other one
Yeah.
from Nemo.
Clownfish. زي شامل دي كده.
Lumina, should I tell you something?
Yeah.
You know that pink thing in there? The pink thing?
Yeah.
It's coral. No, it's not coral.
Oh, anemone.
Yeah. Keeps them safe.
Anemone.
It's anemone.
It keeps them safe.
Hey, see Dory. That blue one over there. That's Dory.
And can you find the ones here? Nothing to be moving anymore.
This is crazy.
I don't know what they're doing.